let's learn how to ask questions correctly. Study tips. Ask the right way in English. Don't ask how study. Ask like this. When asking for advice, don't use commands or broken questions. Use natural forms like, do you have any tips for, followed by rest of your question, or how can I, followed by rest of your question, or what's the best way to, followed by rest of your question. Let's look at some examples. How study for exam? This is incorrect. How can I study for this exam? This is correct. Give me tips? This is incorrect. Do you have any tips for learning vocabulary? This is correct. How memorize fast? This is incorrect. What's the best way to memorize things quickly? This is correct. I study how grammar? This is incorrect. How can I study grammar effectively? This is correct. What I do to focus? This is incorrect. What's the best way to improve my focus? This is correct. You help me study? This is incorrect. Can you help me with study tips? This is correct. I want learn faster. How? This is incorrect. How can I learn faster? This is correct. Best way read textbook? This is incorrect. What's the best way to read a textbook? This is correct. How improve speaking? This is incorrect. How can I improve my speaking? This is correct. Let's now look at the common mistake challenge. I'll say a wrong question and you say or type the correct version before I reveal it. How remember this? You give study tips. How learn vocabulary fast? Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. What's the best way to remember this? Do you have any study tips? How can I learn vocabulary fast? Try making 3 more on your own. Here's a quick practice for you. Repeat after me. Do you have any tips for improving my writing? What's the best way to study this? Here's a quick recap. Use real advice questions. Say, how can I, followed by rest of your question, or do you have any tips for, followed by rest of your questions, or question. Better questions result in better learning. So ask clearly and study smarter. Like if you love learning English. Happy learning! Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next.